Welcome to Wiiisdom Ops. Wiiisdom Ops provides a comprehensive automated test framework for your Tableau dashboards. We will look at the Assert SQL task in functional testing. The Assert SQL task compares the data in your Tableau worksheet with the data returned to a SQL query. You define the database connection and enter a SQL statement. Here's an example of my SQL statement. You can define which columns you want to compare. Here I have 2 columns. You can compare all of them or choose only certain columns. I'll run the test. Okay, once the test finished, it'll tell you whether it passed or failed. In this case, it failed. I'm going to go to reports and take a look at the results. There were 3 tasks in my test: login, the OpenViz, and then the Assert SQL. The first step, here's a screenshot of the first step, opening the visualization, a screenshot of the second step, and here are the results of the Assert SQL task. On the left-hand side, you see the data returned to the SQL run directly against the database, and on the right-hand side, you see the data returned to the Tableau worksheet. You see there's a difference in the data, so you can investigate further. This test will allow you to ensure expected results are returned and the data in Tableau can be trusted.